came at my home.
Okay, continue, Hasan.
Some days before sit somewhere, and if we can provide them a good sofa, if we can provide them a comfortable place, then they will feel easy to sit there. So understanding that, realizing the need of sofa, I purchase it for my home. Why you I have already said that I chose for it because we need it in our daily life.
Yes.
And we feel much comfortable if we sit on sofa. And sofa is also a good decorated things that are actually increase our room much more decorated and beautiful.
More attractive.
So I think more attractive, yeah. So it is enough, do you think?
Hasan, this is enough.
You know,
Only 2 minutes.
when you are going to explain, when we are going to enlarge your talking,
Hasan,
there is the possibility of getting mistake.
yes, Hasan, you know a lot of words, lot of vocabulary, but you can't you can't deliver this. This is the main cause, Hasan. This is the main fact. You know a huge knowledge, a huge vocabulary, but you don't deliver this properly. This that's why actually, what is this reason, Hasan? You don't imagine this. You don't use this practical knowledge. You don't have a practical knowledge. That's why you don't deliver this. But actually, Hasan is this is not possible. This is not possible. All of things you get a huge knowledge. All of things you got practical knowledge. You have a practical knowledge. So just you imagine this and you also deliver this. That's it. You just imagine this. One day we are going to buy a sofa with my something and
Naive.
why? This is
Naive.
yes.
Naive. Yesterday I have witnessed a video. The video was telecast by the Shumon Khan, and he is a distinguished and renowned IELTS trainer. Okay, and he suggests to the IELTS candidate about the how to make analytic answer, by thinking, by analyzing. Okay, so he told the IELTS candidate that when you will see something, when you will go across to something, then you should make at least 5 sentences on this particular object. If you can make 5 sentences on this particular subject or object, whatever you say, then in this way, day by day, your analytical power will be increased. So these are the things that we need to practice. When we'll see some things, we should make at least 5 sentences related to this subject. Okay, suppose you have gone to Coxbazar and there you need at least 10 or 5 sentences on the Coxbazar, so that your analytic power
Actually,
may improve.
Hasan, you just asked me about Cox's Bazar. I deliver it 100 words, 100 sentence because it's my practical knowledge. It's my practical knowledge. So that's why I deliver it is more comfortably. But which is you don't any kinds of you don't have any kinds of practical knowledge. So this is the thinking subject for any kinds of
Yeah, nice. if I give you example, then you will understand clearly. If I told you, Nahid,
Yes.
please say something about mango tree. Okay. You have heard just about the mango tree, but you have not witnessed it in your own eyes. Okay, you have not witnessed it physically or in your own eyes, but you have heard about the mango tree. You have not seen it before. So you cannot analyze your speak because you have little idea about the mango tree. You just hear about it. And if you have seen it, if you have
Hasan,
analyzed it, then it would be much more easy for you to
you think,
expand your
Hasan,
explanation.
these speaking parts, I think you think that your concept is too complicated about this. You thinking this too complicated, but this is no complicated, man. My actually, my two students and also I discuss with the mentors. This is the highest coaching center in our country. They provide
What is the name?
specific. This branch is there have a lot of branches like one is located Dhanmondi, another is located Uttara branch. So mentors, do you know about
Okay.
mentors? IELTS coaching center mentors.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
so I think is my experience, Hasan. They provide
Okay.
just this is speaking part. They provide just related on you or you. This is the huge relating part for your life. Like you going to a restaurant, you going to a tour, you will going to a suppose outside of the country. This is the related experience which is they ask you questions for this, not a huge things, man, which is you don't know about this, you don't listen your life. It's not
These types of question will not come.
you think this more complicated, man. This is
Yeah, I'm not, because when I see in this book, it seems
this
to me
is
that
this
the
is the
question
Hasan.
might come from
This is the highest part of IELTS. This is the peak point of IELTS. This is the highest part of
Yeah.
IELTS. These curriculums, this pattern is highest part, Hasan. This is not exact
Yeah.
part for any kinds of IELTS test.
Yeah. I think in our real exam, we'll get somewhat easy question.
Inshallah, this you always believe this, but when you believe that for your questions is to be easy, you feeling relaxed, and you also continue your session, continue your hard working, continue your workshop. But you just thinking this is too hard, this is so complicated, so you don't get energy. You don't get energy for continue your workshop. You don't feel free for continue your daily routines. So Hasan, this is like you thinking just so easy, and is just continue your day by day routines. Just follow your day by day routines and just continue your daily workshop. But Hasan, in future, I think I don't know what is the what will be created by us with us, because you getting job, I think you getting a job in a college, then I think you are more busier in future. So these sessions,
Yeah,
this
Naeem,
workshop,
because
this,
Naeem,
yes.
I don't have any way, bro, because I still cannot stay my home without doing anything, because my family is pressurizing me to do some things.
Now, Hasan, this is
Okay.
obviously, definitely, every parents pressures whose is unemployed, person is unemployed after graduation, after complete their graduations, school graduations.
So
So
Naeem, let me tell you another things, bro. You should know. You should not. You should.
continue.
You should not wait. Night. You should not wait for me. You should go at your own speed. Okay. As far as I have with you, how long I have time, then I will obviously give with you. Okay. But as you are the aspirant of going to abroad, and your result will be published recently, and you should not wait for me. Right?
Okay, Hassan, it's I think it's too complicated, too hurtful for me, and actually, because when you join with me, I am more comfort and I am more effective, fruitful for your company. So that's why I continue. Is very easy with these sessions, with this workshop. But when you disconnect, whether uh, disconnect from me, then I feel alone, and every works when you continue in a single moment, single times. So this is more complicated.
Yeah. Right.
But Hassan, no problem. Every times when you get free, so you will be get free, and you will be free. You knocked me. Obviously, when I I will be free.
I
Then
don't know.
I will also knocked you, Hassan. Doesn't matter.
Yeah. Right. I also will knock you when I will get free time, whether it is at night or whether it is at morning, whether it is at afternoon, anytime.
Yes, yes. This
When
is
I will free, I will call you. Okay, because I also a candidate of IELTS examinations, and I will sit for it. I don't have any way, because if I want to improve my, if I want to show my skill, then obviously I need a good brain.
Hassan.
Okay.
So you got. Suppose you think about that. You getting a job in a college, a glorious college. So
It is uncertain, right? It is not certain, it is uncertain. But if I try, then I will get job. I will, especially college or school, renowned school, I will get job. I know.
Hassan,
Okay, but I cannot.
I think you will be get this, okay, because you are so much educated for you have you have a enough knowledge for about English. So I think you getting this job, and when you face this
Naive,
interview, and you overcome this. Is my hope.
naive, naive. You know, there are lots of competitors. The institutions where I applied, let me tell you, naive, the institutions where did I apply? This actually, as far as I know, it is not so much renowned institutions. It is located before the Sultana Kamal Setu, and it is in Demra, glorious school and college, as far as I know. But if I get the chance there as a teacher, then I have to give there sometimes. But I don't think that I will continue for long times, because from Gausia to Demra, and there is a long gridlock or jam in at Brupshi.
Hassan,
You know,
if you get this job, you don't stay in your home. This is not possible for you. Okay,
yeah. So I
this is
just going there.
impossible. This is impossible for transport from Gausia to Demra, because
Yeah,
Borpatu Tarabu Bishop resist the huge, always creating a huge jam day by day. It is my experience, own experience, man. This jam is
Yeah,
too
you
long.
have experience, and I have also experienced. The experience is so much bad.
So you
Okay,
stay in a
I know,
maths or something, you stay in a flat or something in personally, then you continue your job. Is my suggestion.
but there. I think I will go there for just adding my experience, because right now I have made a CV and I cannot show any experience there. I can show only a 2 years coaching experience as English teacher.
Hassan, every person's in a sudden time how they go, obviously they go to out of the home, but you don't get in previous time, you don't take a decisions, you just want, you are beside in your parents, but this is not your best choice, man. In a sudden time you are going to out of your home in a sudden times in futures. So this is your times. You can imagine this. You can imagine this is time you are out of in your home, in your family, from your parents.